So guys, we're out here. Welcome back to Not Less TV 758. Let me tell you all, we're outside. We're on our way to canaries. You know, everyone is not there. You know, what's the vibes? So we're that's where. Shalom. We in Shalom, guys. This is just before canaries. You know.
My boss.
What's the vibes at the outside? You okay? Okay. You remember what we say? What you know about overeating? Or you just overeat? Merle, we outside. So guys, we had to stop because Lucia chain come out, but Denzel is on a car coming behind us, you know. So it's all good. So we're just gonna wait for a little while. Let me show you guys. You see my chain come off, but we could just wait for Denzel and everything will be alright. So we somewhere on the road. People, let me tell you all, bike life, we're outside. Khadija, what you say you do there?
But my backside does burn. So I just put it there for it not to, for it not to burn me.
You like to put short clothes too much. So they're coming, guys. They're coming. You finished with me there? Thank you. So guys, I have to change, you know, because Khadija go in the car now and we there with Mushy. What's Mushy doing?
Too much heavy duty and sick man. That's a poor job you guys so that they make you.
So you're done already, people? Road. Here's the bar. How down there we going, eh? Huh? Canaries we going? Nothing, huh? My chain not come out, we fix it. No. My boyfriend.
That goes.
Yeah.
If anything.
There you going?
Yeah.
Ivy. So guys, we're in Canaries now. Let me tell you. Let's get like this slow, you know, so we can see what's going on. Gonna be a short video, man. Let me tell you, my battery is so low. So guys, let me tell you, it's very hot out here, right? Mashi and I there one time. You know, we're waiting for Khadija and Koshi, you know. So right now we're by the road, we're near the police station, you know. So
the guys coming one time.
they're coming. So they're coming now. Y'all could see that. Yes, people, so we're inside of canaries. Big up yourself. Don't forget to like this video. Merle, what's up, baby? Let's go. Yes, people, we're heading to the breakfast. So guys, that's where Denzel and I are from, you know. Our grandparents are from Canaries, you know. But that's true, that's where Denzel. Denzel out there you come from. Canaries I come from too.
Not because your people come where you come from. You come from Slurry.
Mashi, you come from Canaries too? Well, they're my bloodies. Shakana we married.
You already disown and Slurry because I love you so much.
No, but it's here, but I love on Slurry. How you mean? I could ever not love on Slurry. That's why I do all my schooling, everything. No, in Slurry. Let's pass in the back there. So people were passing, we leave them in. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Pulama is the bird, the fish we eat, see?
I don't know.
Good afternoon, how's the boy? We passing through it? People were in Canaries, eh? It's a neighboring village. I tell you that a number of times already. You know, that's like a brother or a sister to Ancillary. There's always a vibe, you know, because we're in a small community. Good day, good day. Big up. Yeah. Hey, Dino. Sakafet. Good day, you have bounty? How much is the short? $5? You see, $5. Give me a Heineken, because it seems to be making your own prices. Yeah. Give me a pizza. Give me a Climax. You want the two short of bounty? Huh? The two short of bounty.
Give me a bola sati there.
Bola sati.
Bola sati.
Bola sati, that's it, name me? Yeah, man.
Stinking bum.
Some people we in Canaries, we in Seaside Bar. Okay, we having a little short of
That's how
Bola
we call it
sati.
in Surrey.
The spirit of St. Lucia, body warm, stinking bum. Yeah, but people, it tastes so good. Let me tell you all, my people like it. What gem?
And the name in Jackman is Pete food.
And the name in... That's true. Guys, meet this shabbing lady. She's so energetic. You'll need to see her in action. But today is a weekday, you know, we're just having a drink in Canaries, guys. So y'all don't know really, the vibe is vibing, a little pool's playing, a little jack on it, we outside. Hey, who take our next picture? You don't want the body? Okay. Where Denzel? Of course, my father pigs used to watch TV.
Of course,
First money to make his pigs, and he win the bet too, eh?
yeah,
When you make them know, yeah. When you make them know, yeah. You don't know about that, Denzel? The killer make them know he have a TV in the pig pen. His pigs there watching TV. Don't feel it cold. Yeah, people. So you could see this old house is there still. You know, we're in Canaries. I feel it's a granny. We're on the bayfront. So this is a fish pot. That's a fish pot, right?
Huh?
Fish pot?
Yeah.
Fish pot. Handmade. And they just call it Nas. You?
Made by me.
Okay.
Bravo.
That's a... You made that?
Yeah, we don't make that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Big up, big up. So people, this is Canaries. Let me tell you all. I'm on the jetty right now, you know. So guys, you know, we're here with the council workers here. You know, they're working hard in the sun. Yeah, big up yourself one time, Ras.
Yeah, big up you too.
Yeah, big up Canaries.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you're Irie, you're safe.
Yeah, we appreciate it. Big up Apples, not restaurants.
Yeah, man,
Already.
you big up. We're there.
Yeah, you know already.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you know how to do the vibe.
What you say there, big up Canaries?
One time,
One time, my friend. What you say there?
we large.
We outside 758. Big up Canaries again.
So guys, we're by the square now, you know. Yes, good day. I bring the bike. The bike parked by the post office. I want you to big up Canaries for me. You
Big
know?
up canaries today.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you say never
I'm
get everything I see in canaries, boy. Yeah, boy,
Jack
I
on
there.
it. We outside.
You know it's a bit hot, you know. We just on the block chilling, you know. That's
Sabu
okay.
fair. You gotta living the best life. You have a bag of money. You're rich, gas. Big up.
We know how we do it already.
I just looking for somebody to big up country. You
Ah,
wanna do
look at
that?
sexy Ras there. Ah,
Yeah.
sexy Ras.
Wonderful village.
Yes,
Beautiful
sir.
village. Canaries, peaceful.
Paradise, you know, we got
Paradise,
the crystal
really
clear.
cool. See?
Yeah, man, it's very breezy out here,
You
people.
know, we got the crystal clear water, yeah? Alright, you drop a needle, you find it. That's the only river you can clean.
That's true. That's so true.
Alright.
That's true.
You understand? You know what I
Countries is
mean?
very clean, people. Like when I mean
Have a
clean.
blessed day.
Yeah.
Okay? Alright. One thing
Yes,
I do
people.
for my hairstyle, you know.
Let me tell you, anytime.
Alright.
People countries is very clean, like very clean, I must say. You know, it's always clean, and I've been coming here for years, you know, and it has always been that clean. Let me tell you, not a bottle, so you could see it for yourself. Let me tell you, it's just a clean place. Naturally, Canaries. Let me tell you, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Let me tell you, Canaries is just a vibe. So I guess you all catch a vibe, you know. So my community and Canaries is like the same vibe. They still have standpipes out here, you know. So we have water. We have free water out here. Okay, free water. So you don't know already. I'm going back in the old day. You hear me, Jamal?
You not ready? Enjoy the rest. And
Yeah,
take it
big
easy
up.
on the road, alright?
Yeah, man.
That's what the time I see you doing it, boy.
Yeah. So people, y'all know, you know, it's a traditional thing. I meet a guy roasting some sardines here. Let me tell you, look at that. So this is the sardine. You just have to clean it up and you could eat it, yeah? Big up yourself, brass, one time.
Yeah, I have to tell the people about the rude boy thing, but them girls, they had really need me and the thing because they're young and I old already. But I don't know what happened and what got done the night. And them girls I was going to see out for the night and they come and check me. I tell them I'm not going again. They tell me, well, they go give me I'll make a change. And I tell them when I'm not going to see again, I will come for my, you know, just come and entertain them, you know.
Yeah.
And you know what happened? And they tell me I do that so sweet and so nice. Every I pass, rude boy,
Yeah.
rude boy, rude boy.
Rude boy.
That's it, my girl.
So
Yeah.
big up Canaries there. You have
All
to
the
big
time.
up Canaries for me too.
But I want to big up and say it too. Anytime you have a show soap, I could somersault, I could wine, I could do things. You see, anytime you have a thing,
Yeah.
just check for Dudua.
Yeah. What's your name?
Dudua.
That is a sweet name, you guys.
Yeah.
That is why the girls put you
Yeah,
in the
man.
rude
Yeah,
boy,
man. Yeah, man.
in the rude boy ad. Big up yourself one
You
time.
too, my girl.
Yeah, man. So people, you know, they're just playing a little game of cards out there. It's very breezy out here, and everyone's catching a vibe. You know, hustlers outside, people chilling, drinks drinking. Y'all done know already we in Canaries, and this is the vibe on the bayfront. You know, the place is a little quiet, and you know the kids are at school and all of that. But it's a weekday, so y'all know already we outside. So people will just catch a vibe there, you know, with the people. The man who just spoke to us, he was on the Rude Boy ad, and you know, boy, these people killing me, let me tell you. The man say he do his ad so good right now that his name is Rude Boy. Yeah. Big up Canaries people one time, you know. Big up yourselves one time. We out here in Canaries, we catching a vibe with the people. Yeah. It's a weekday, so you know the kids are at school, the place is kind of quiet, you know. But the fishermen are out there, people playing a little game, you know, not less TV outside, you know. But big up yourselves one time, I'm just catching a vibe. We just come down there with no plan, but you know something is happening, you know. We in the building. So guys, we in Canaries, we by the river, let me tell you. When the boy said clean like a needle, so trust me, if a needle fall in that, we go see. Let me tell you, the river is refreshing. I might bathe too. You know, my battery is very low. This is going to be a very short video. Let me tell you people, we at Tony's place. We have been here before, you know, with Not Less Trans. After's Not Less Trans. We have been here before with them, with the whole crew. But today we're just outside, as I tell you, just catching a vibe in Canaries. It's a weekday, it's cold, it's a cold day, it's calm, I should say. And check out the river, guys. There's fishes, you know. And I cannot wait to get in there. I'm gonna take off my shoes, you know, but I'm gonna go a little higher up so there's more to see. So we're gonna save the battery. Okay, guys. Merle, you don't know we're outside. So people, Mr. Tony, just share with us. It's very generous. Let me tell you, we in canaries, the vibe is vibing. You hear? Well, Mr. Tony might be my cousin, you know, but he's a coolie, I don't know. Let's see what time. So I have to give the gang 5 people, easy there. Masa coupe bien. Masa coupe bien. Mais c'est ça autant me dit, Mr. Tony. Masa coupe bien. Masa coupe.
Jump in the piece there, bro.
Masa coupe bien. It's sweet, people. My coupe là. Mais mal coupé. So you just une chance, man. Bueno.
But I see something you go and see don't like it.
Okay, this.
My photo there, man. Look for your place. You're wrong. You want to go and qui vole me vole bœuf?
What side door you is?
Doyle is under the thing there.
Yeah, what side you into what you is?
Doyle is inside of there. Doyle is the Rasta
Okay,
man.
but what deal is?
You have to go in the bush first. So people will saving the battery. Don't forget that. So you know it's a very short. You finish already, Denzel? That's good? Eat all that. That's good for it. Eat all the thing, the white part. It's good for the fan.
That's good for the fan. That's good.
It's good for the fan for you. Korisha, it's good for you too. Washing everybody.
That's good for the fan. That's good.
Good for your face too, my face too, and your face.
Yeah, people. So we're talking to the main man here, Tony. So he say, what do you say? Repeat
I
yourself.
see the place is for renting, birthday party, whatever party you want to make, river bash, or every kind of thing, anything you want to make.
Just check Tony.
Yeah, just check me. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, man.
And
Tony.
my number on the board there, so.
Okay, I'll link up the number on the board one time. Moshi, why you so with animals? Put the cat down.
So you have to hold it. You see the mothers that hold them so.
And they with them.
Yeah. So if you hold it so, scratch it, you scratch it. If you hold it so.
So, Mr. Tony, you know a lot of bush medications?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a toilet there. At the back there.
Wait.
Toilet?
Yeah. Two. One start to operate. You see the brown door, right? But the blue door, I start to put another one there. And there are 2 rooms. The last room at the top there is a changing room. If you want to bathe, you want to change your clothes.
Okay.
I got organized.
Yeah, but the place is very nice and clean. Big up yourself. Go and grab, fellas. Oh, go and grab. Big up yourself. One time. So people, you know, big up the Gualabuins, big up the disciples one time. Let me tell you all, we outside. All by my eyes dry. And it's y'all don't know already, not less TV, we outside. Don't forget to like this video, guys. You know, we in canaries. I got my swimwear on. Let me tell you. Hey, if canaries have snakes, canaries is ancillary. Sister or brother. Yesterday's gone, and a new day has begun. And whatever that song I'd say, okay? So guys, we're here Eh, it changed, eh?
Yeah, they change.
People, this is it.
That's what you see, Smith? Papa, boy.
Hey, it's still deep. Guys, I'm still gonna get in there, you know. Okay.
They're not deep. But it's just clear.
You come here about 3 times to cook up water.
Yeah. Yeah.
We come and cook already there. How much time, eh? People, I'm gonna get in the water. How's the water, sis?
Good. Not cold, not too warm.
Oh, you back home. Yeah, I guess like before this is
Guys, we're by the river, you know, the water is very clear. Easy, Cuddy. Easy, Cuddy. The fish is big, people. When we return here to vlog, we will. Come, Khadija, you could stand up there. The water so clear. Easy, bro. So people, if you all don't get the rest of this video, my battery die, okay? But we got good content here. Big up yourselves. Don't forget to like this video. We outside with the guys. Look at them. I'm gonna try to get in the water from here. So you know I just have to fall. I hope the water won't fall through it, Khadija.
That's what enters the water.
Give my little photo. Huh? How I just sending myself in the middle part. Come here. Middle part. I'll just fall on my bum. Okay? Watch me do this. The water. The water warm, Khadija. The water not warm.
The water warm after.
Yes, people, we outside. We in canaries, people. We still on the west side. You know, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to drop a comment. Merle, we outside. I'm not every story boy today, you know. And Fluffy, I know you missed that trad, you know. But big up yourself, Latoya, Nadia. We outside, Kofi. You know. But the next time we come here, we're going to do a little vlog out there. You know? Stop it.
Is the fish raw? Yes, sir.
A little photo too. Put your hand up, Khadija, like this. Father, sisters. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, bruv. Thank you, bruv. Guys, they're trying and hunt some fish. Khadija, don't shake before you shake the water.
Man, I'm pulling up. Arrival.
You don't have nothing.
You don't have none yet. Take it easier. Patience. They don't want them to pass.
Look at the big one. The big one that's come up there.
They don't want to pull up all the minute.
Pana! Never go see body. You want to keep and catch
But the
fish.
fish are pulling up. How you can catch something that's not there? This guy base is awesome, bro. This guy.
So guys, if you watch this video till the end, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. 7583 Large, we outside. Big up Apple Knotless Trans, but we are Knotless TV right now. We outside and we're catching a vibe. Big up Tony's place, guys. Let me tell you, that's where we at right now. We in Canaries. We're still on the west side. Out of the potato. We did a little stop, you know, at the Slavedy. Let me tell you all. We're outside.
2022.
Leave the people by car.
2022.
outside, yo. We outside. People, that's a little bit of battery that's left. So guys, you're enjoying the trip?
I'm disappointed, bro.
Why?
Because this nigga fuck up Africa, bro.
Oh, you
What's
put
Africa,
Africa
bro?
down.
Oh my boss, let me go and test it and put it on top of the moon for you. Hey, that's cutting on all them space in Africa, bro.